Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain exercise 3 in DSA. Okay, DSA and struct data substitution algorithm implementing the singly English and circular English using C programming. Okay, like last time I explained Q and NQ, uh, DQ, and how P and display will work in that with using Q operations. Now we're going to see explain 3. Okay. First, what is the single English and circular English we will see now. Single English means is a sequence of nodes where each node contains a data and pointers to next node and the last node points to the null. Okay. A circular English is similar, but the last node connects back to the first, forming a circle. This is circular English. Okay. I hope you understand. Next, just we know about the development. The program is there dynamic to create a linked list and perform all basic operations in single linked list and circular linked list. Okay. This is the single linked list and circular linked list. Now we will see codes. There are two codes. I will explain single linked list and circular linked list. I will explain a little bit. Okay. First we will see single linked list. Yeah. It will start go through single English program step by step. Okay. Now here starting header files, structures, definitions, and everything will be there. Like we start including hashtags and including std, ilb, .h, and structure nodes, and declaring a int data and structure node x dot int. Then we define a structure name as node. Okay. We give you two keys. What are the two keys? Data and next node in the list. Okay. Next structure node star head equal to node. We will declare a global pointer head which always points to the first node of the list. Initially it's set null because it's the list of empty. Okay, it shows a empty here. Okay. Next, this whole thing only show in this function we'll allocate a memory for the mac of a new node using mac of. We assign the value of data, link the new nodes next to the current head, and finally we updated head to point the new nodes. So we know it because of first element in the last element that's node. Okay. And next this thing everything. This function insert a new nodes. After a given position, we giving the position, it will again circle after the position. After we transfer the first list using the temporary pointer until we reach the desired position. If the position is valid, we'll increase a new node between two nodes. Otherwise, print an error. And like that parts we can see. And it will start like this part, inserting a new nodes and end of the list and using transfer to the next null and attaching a new node there and while deleting remove the first node of by moving the head pointer. Okay. uh, this function selects a node for giving a position that's all. And void delete, so void delete, this delete function will move to the last node for the first node. Sorry, we to move the second last node for free the first, last one. Okay, we'll move the second last one and we'll free the last one. That's all. And make the next pointer as a null. And this is this function train for elements and this is and next it's the function like beginning and insert 20 and insert 30 and middle it inserting taking in some the value 15 to 1. This will only want to insert that display and beginning here like that want to, and output is this. Next, circular linked list, I will tell it briefly. We can again create a structure for nodes declaring a head pointers, and in circular linked list when we insert at the beginning the nodes next points to the world head, and last nodes next is uploading it to the news head. Both insertion functions are similar to single list except the traversal stops when we reach at the game, not none. Okay, like deletion also it will use deletion logic like as a similar to the single list, but while transferring we stop the next pointer. Okay, and displaying the function prints and nodes using the do while loops so that all nodes are shown once in a circle manner, like circle manner. Okay, and outputs and continue like outputs, like I will run I will run it in mm, sorry. Okay, sorry guys. I hope you all understand. Now, like we have successfully, I told you these two codes. Can you check it out and understand it? Thank you. Thank you everyone.